Hello friends, my name is Adelson, and today I would like to talk to you about drill bits for drilling. The first thing I wanted to make clear is that the drill bits for glass are different from those drill bits that we find. Those drill bits. Cup, one that has some points in the middle, which are for drilling rocks. To drill granite mortar. If you try to drill glass with that drill bit, you will break the glass. It doesn't work. The diamond, it's different. The grain is different. The one for rock is a thicker grain to gain cutting speed. While for glass, it is thinner. Biting glass is different from when cutting wood, where it will tear. Whitening the piece, the drill bit for the comma goes. Sanding, just like it is for rock, but as I said, what changes is the grain today. We are here with some drill bits that are the simplest, which are the drill bits that we can use in normal drills that most of us have at home. Manual drills or bench drills are there. In the Brazilian market, basically 3 types of driller. This one, which is a smooth drill bit with a diamond tip. A tip of approximately diamond. A brush in a steel body. There is another model that is very similar to this one. There is a thread on the handle, so it attaches to my threaded mandrel so that the water passes through the drill and enters, and thus cooling the drill and the glass. And there's a pen tip model, an arrowhead or quill tip. And Makita we're selling in Brazil. It seems that Irving will bring it in a more serious for Brazil, but I haven't been able to work with this drill yet. The advantage I see in it is that it has a tip, so you can more precision at the beginning of your hole, especially when working with manual drills. In this case, these drills have to be cooled. That is, we have to put water all the time. Throw water all the time to drill the glass, just like when cutting. Marble and granite. Well, today I have small drills here. Drills of up to 12 millimeters like this one here. The smallest one I've found is the 4 millimeter one. It's the thinnest one there is. The drill wears out faster. It has a big disadvantage. It gets clogged up a lot. It fills with dust, glass shards, and you can't get it out anymore. If you try to take it out, you'll break the diamond. This one, for example, has glass. I even left it in so I could show you. What we do is, if you did that, come here, take it out there, cut it. Don't try to poke it from the front, because you'll break your drill bit. Don't hit it from front to back. Take it out. Don't insist. Take it out, because otherwise you'll break the glass and damage your drill bit. This drill bit here is another interesting detail. It's been with me for a long time, and has already made about 10,500 holes. However, I've had cases of drill bits that broke the diamond with less than 10 cuts. They erased the entire diamond tip. It came off the body. Why is that? Origin. Chinese drills are cheaper. They will last less. Manufactured by serious companies, even Brazilian ones. There are many multinationals and legitimate Brazilian companies that produce good material. It's not that hard to find, especially in the big centers where the distribution of material for glaziers and even glass distributors in some factories, you can find some tempering. To buy it's not expensive, and we can buy a drill bit like that for 20, 30 rare, an 8 to 10 millimeter drill bit from 30, and it starts to get really more expensive. We're going to deal with drill bits of up to 30 millimeters in manual drills. From that, 50, 60 millimeters in diameter. Only in bench drills, okay? In a good drill. Okay guys, so in the next video, we're going to drill a glass with a manual drill. To continue there, people. Friends who are aquarium enthusiasts in particular can start from there and have fun. A hug, everyone.